Starting around 05 August 2023. Really spell commonly token essentially is exchanging at $0.00045537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Spell sort of has an all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143 in a for the most part significant manner. This for the most part makes for the most part spell kind of token. Spell certainly positioning at 370 in the cryptographic money market in a very significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the spell kind of symbolic cost forecast finish of 2023. What will in a real sense spell certainly token generally be especially worth in 2023 is fundamentally spell in every practical sense token a truly wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very critical. Will especially spell cost outperform its untouched high? Most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. These in a real sense are our particularly spell pretty symbolic cost expectations for spell's future. Spell token. Spell value forecast 2023. As per the spell pretty symbolic estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the spell cost for the most part is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of $0.00056821. The normal all things considered least value worth of by and large spell sort of token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $0.00054935, or so they certainly thought. Besides certainly spell can explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.00059828, which by and large is very huge. Spell certainly token. Spell value gauge August 2023. The spell kind of token. Spell cost for August 2023 may basically arrive at an especially least worth of $0.00045274, while the greatest estimated cost generally is around $0.00050934, which especially is genuinely huge. The exceptionally normal cost for the most part spell really is certainly anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.00049519 in August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Spell value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of for the most part spell certainly token basically is determined to in a real sense be at around a very least worth of $0.00049142 in an especially significant manner. The spell commonly token value worth can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.00052914, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars, which is genuinely critical. Spell exceptionally token. Spell value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of in a real sense spell truly token essentially is fundamentally anticipated to all things considered arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.00054974 and a very least of $0.00051158, which really is very critical. Spell genuinely token. Spell value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, generally spell especially token cost in a real sense is estimate to basically arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.00052749, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.00057096, with the really normal expected cost around $0.00054636, showing the way that the spell especially token value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $0.00052914, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars, which by and large is very huge. Spell commonly token. Spell value figure December 2023. The spell in every way that really matters. Token spell cost for December 2023. may especially arrive at an especially least worth of $0.00054935, while the greatest gauge cost especially is around $0.00059828 in an essentially huge manner. The by and large normal cost for by and large spell certainly is generally anticipated to truly reach $0.00056821 in December 2023. Spell kind of token exceptionally past value examination. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been generally diminished by 0.84% in its extremely current worth amazingly. Assuming we essentially think about the exceptionally current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which especially is genuinely huge. Spell genuinely token especially is confronting and in every practical sense, difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, which all things considered, is very critical. The spell truly is down to nearly 2.49% in the especially most recent 7 days, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for genuinely past sort of couple of days. The coin could basically have most areas of strength, for certainly however, we don't especially believe that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment, showing the way that besides sort of spell can in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.00059828 in an unobtrusive manner, inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of in every way that really matters, spell commonly diminished by 42.605%. Wiping out an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.00033803 from its kind of current worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an essentially decent purchase and open door for certainly fast speculation, fundamentally further appearance, how in every practical sense, is truly spell truly token, a genuinely wise venture, or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of enormous manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 38.21%, and the cost especially coursed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of $0.00068420 to exceptionally greatest sort of normal cost of $0.00074480 in the truly beyond 90 days. Which for the most part demonstrates the way that the spell cost could by and large arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.00057096, with the typical expected cost around $0.00054636, showing the way that the spell sort of token value worth can by and large arrive at an especially limit of $0.00052914, with the sort of typical